My name is Vicky Richardson. I'm a senior advisor within Neil Hudgell Solicitors. And one of my roles is dealing with clients where we have taken over their claim from another firm, whether it be because they was unhappy with that service or they didn't perhaps get the settlement they thought they was entitled to. We receive calls from clients who are unhappy with the current solicitors, probably on a weekly basis. Some just contact us for initial advice as to whether they are getting the service they're entitled to, or perhaps the settlement that has been reached. Others, obviously, we take those cases over and look to deal with matters on their behalf. The most common reason for people wanting to transfer solicitors is poor client care, not returning calls, not keeping clients updated as to what's happening with the cases, and the common one is using too much legal jargon and just confusing clients instead of keeping it nice and simple so that everybody understands what's happening. People that transfer the claim to Neil Hudgell realise that we offer a better standard of client care than many other firms. Once you've spoke to your first point of call, tends to be that person who is going to deal with your claim throughout. A common complaint with other firms is you are passed from one handler to another for whatever reason. There's just no consistency with who you're dealing with. It's not a hassle to transfer your claim, it's quite straightforward. All we need is, once we've taken the initial instructions, is for that client to sign a consent form which will allow us to access the previous solicitor's file of papers. We'll then have that file sent to us, we will review it, we will sit down with the client and explain how we can sort out any problems they've had, pull matters back into line, and we'll take it from there. And also, there's no issue in relation to funding. We will come to an agreement with the previous solicitors as to their payment for the work they've already done, so there's going to be no cost to client if they decide to transfer firms. If you're unhappy with your solicitors, just give us a call. We have somebody available 7 days a week to speak to new clients. We can advise you as to whether it's a matter we can take over, get the papers out to you, get the consent form signed up, and we can probably have your file within 7 to 10 days, get you back in, and get things moving again for you.